Good day, future RPMs. Ito pala yung Q&A flashcards natin for evidence. Ito naman ang sagutin natin. What are the requisites for the admissibility of commercial lease and the like? Isa itong exception sa hearsay rule. Ano nga ba itong commercial lease and the like? This refers to journals, lease, magazines, and other publications and similar written or published works carefully researched and investigated and especially prepared for use in certain trades, industry, or profession, or even by the public which rely on them. So admissible ito as evidence kahit wala yung authors or yung gumawa ng journals, magazine, etc. Bakit admissible? Kasi it is a product of research and yung author kasi pwedeng foreigner. Paano ngayon siya magtitistigo or yung author ay patay na? So ano yung mga requirements para maging admissible siya? First, statements of matters of interest to persons engaged in an occupation. Second, statements must be contained in a list, register, periodical, or other published compilation. Third, compilation is published for use by persons engaged in that occupation. And fourth, such is generally relied upon by them. Example, may tinatawag tayong Supreme Court Reports Annotated or SCRA. Dito kinukumpile yung mga cases na dinesisyonan ng Supreme Court. Itong SCRA na ito ay pinapublish ng Central Bookstore, a private entity. Ngayon, gumamit si attorney as an argument niya sa isang kaso ng isang case na nakapaloob sa SCRA or nag-cite siya ng case na nandun sa SCRA. Ito ay admissible in court at hindi siya considered hearsay kahit hindi yung lawyer, yung author o nag-publish ng SCRA.